Are you looking for the best cordless leaf blower in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cordless leaf blower that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Worx Nitro 40V Pro LEAFJET cordless leaf blower. The WG585 is the most novel leaf blower out there. Slide its nose cone forward over a range of 5 inches to select more volume and less airspeed. Slide the cone back toward the fan motor and handle to select more airspeed and less volume. Press the turbo button for a high-speed burst of air, instead of a cruise control switch or latch like other blowers. This Worx uses a rotating thumb wheel, which is also the on-off switch. The wheel is numbered from 0 to 3, and rotating it forward increases airspeed. Now, you have to ask yourself just how much control over airspeed and volume you need. We suppose that if your landscape is tricky, requiring everything from outright leaf blasting to more delicate sweeping, the blend of air volume and speed afforded by the combo of nose cone and thumb wheel may prove to be optimal. Our test was not that demanding, frankly. We found the blower was as capable against typical dry leaves and twigs, and it was removing leaves, grass clippings, twigs, dried buds, and the like from paved surfaces. Just note, the tool does make a distinct high-pitched whine when turned all the way up. We'd advise wearing earplugs if you go all out with this thing. Then again, we always advise hearing and eye protection. Up next in the 4th place is the Makita XBU2 PT36VLXT Brushless Blower Kit. We liked many things about the XBU2. Chief among them is the fact that the blower takes the same 18-volt batteries as other Makita power tools. It also has a comfortable trigger and balance that causes the machine to hang in your hand at the perfect angle. In the leaf test, we found that its focused and somewhat narrow airstream is highly accurate and ideal for cleaning up edges without disturbing whatever's next to them. However, it didn't sweep the area as clean as other, more powerful machines. If you use it on serious leaf cover, you'll have some cleanup ahead of you with a mower or maybe a rake to finish the job. The 3rd product on our list is the Oregon Cordless BL340V 151 mph leaf blower. This plain blower doesn't have the cool futuristic lines of other cordless models, but don't confuse it with a no-frills pretender. We measured the airspeed of Oregon's consumer-level BL300 at 121 miles per hour, and pushing out a claimed 507 CFM, it's as capable as some of its gas-powered competitors. Blowing clear our test area was easy. We completed the task in seconds, dispersing the leaves in all directions. We found the slightly shorter blower tube made it easier to sweep back and forth, although sometimes you had to get closer to stubborn debris. We always enjoy learning what the sawdust test will reveal. In this case, we could see the tall bulb shape, extended almost the entire length of our area and mimicking that of some of the best blowers we've tested. The BL300 has a variable speed trigger with a button for a turbo boost. Continuous runtime was relatively short, but as we've learned, it's highly unusual to use a cordless leaf blower full blast. In normal use, it may last over an hour. A larger 6Ah battery is also available, which can extend runtime by 30%. Second on our list is the Ego Power Plus LB650 650 CFM variable speed 56-volt lithium-ion cordless leaf blower. More and more, we're seeing battery-powered equipment that rivals or exceeds the performance of their gas-powered counterparts. This cordless leaf blower is a case in point. We measured airspeed at 134 miles per hour and found, combined with the volume of air, that it easily blasted leaves from our test area when we were standing still. Stepping forward while sweeping back and forth cleared the area in seconds. Our sawdust test revealed a focused airstream, with sharp edges, extending beyond the end of our test area. While the runtime may seem short, bear in mind that's at the turbo setting. In use, we've learned that it's rare to continuously hold down the turbo button, or even the trigger. A more realistic runtime is at least 27 minutes, and we could have probably extended the runtime further, because the LB6504 features a dial that allowed us to set and hold the airspeed at the lowest setting useful for whatever task we were doing, and use the trigger or turbo button to boost speed when needed. This vastly extends runtime and reflects more realistic yard work. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ryobi RY40440 40-volt 145 mph 625 CFM cordless brushless variable speed backpack leaf blower. This is a good machine that delivers a wide, nearly perfectly symmetrical air pattern with a well-defined boundary that reaches all the way out toward its end, where it flares into consistent branches. That shape and volume contribute to debris moving efficiency during its runtime of 47 minutes. It did well in both the leaf test and when we swept the parking lot clean after the sawdust test. The RY40440 was also the quietest backpack leaf blower, a relief to our ears. The machine also gets high marks for comfortable controls, such as its handle and trigger and its shoulder straps, which are well padded and highly adjustable. The cruise control lever, however, is difficult to pivot, and the flexible blower tube seems a bit too short, also making for a difficult pivoting motion.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.